how to use or change a virtual background in Google Meet on your mobile phone. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's get started right away. Now first you simply just want to create a new meeting and just start one instantly. And then here at the bottom right corner you can see your own camera and it's sort of like like 3 little stars. You want to click on there, and this is where you can change the background to like a blur and stuff like that. But also you have a couple of these virtual backgrounds that actually move and such, so that's pretty cool. And you have these, and you also have some default ones like so, and you have like a bunch of them, and even filters, but you can also click on this plus icon right there in order to be able to actually add your own virtual backgrounds, which is pretty cool. But if you just want to use the default ones, then you can just use one of these, as you can see. So yeah, that's about it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.